Hi guys, welcome to a new location. Welcome to the 10th and last episode of the 3rd season of the Belgian travel vlog series. Today we are here in the coastal village of Middelkerke. Middelkerke is sometimes called the family seaside resort. The village has a long stretch of beach where you can enjoy yourself, while the Waranda Dunes offers perfect walking routes. Next on the beach you will find a boulevard full of cozy terraces and shops. In the summer there are also a lot of fun things to do. One of those fun things are the Sand Sculpture Festival. That's the first stop of the day. So here we are at the entrance of the Sand Sculpture Festival.
Leuk je te zien. Ja, heel mooi. Net wat hij zegt.
Look how beautiful. Events of the Sand Sculpture Festival were the Kampioenen, dinosaurs and fairy tales. Here you have a real Belgian sand sculpture, the waffles, Belgian fries, mannequin piece. So that was the Sand Sculpture Festival. It was really nice. 30 minutes was enough, but if you're with children you can easily spend 1 or 2 hours. And there's also a summer bar, so you can eat or drink something. I will now stroll a bit along the promenade of Middelkerke. With in front of me the brand new casino of Middelkerke. Every year in Middelkerke in the end of June, the beer festival is taking place here. I was there a couple of years ago for a bachelor party from one of my friends. It was so nice. This year we couldn't go. I was in Mallorca, but I have a little compilation from back then, so I'm going to show it to you guys. It was filmed with my iPhone, so it was an amazing time, nice event, and it was a day full of drinking. So we were hammered and we decided to go back to the hostel already at 7 in the evening. So, and yeah, it's already 2 years ago. And then this beautiful casino building wasn't even there yet. And the square there was also a lot different. Alarm! Daar gaat ze. So that's it for today. It was a short video here in Middelkerke, but I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, LAWCATION, and I'll see you again in another location. Ciao.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.